I love this city when it rains. The sound as it taps on your window pane. And all the people seem to disappear. As the crowd split up, I saw you there. You had on that yellow dress, caught my eyes and took my breath. You were standing under a roadway sign. golden bell across the room, laughing over wine, losing track of time. That should be me. Oh, that should be me. With my arm wrapped around her waist, dancing through the night, dizzy with delight. That should be me. Lavishing you with ruby rings and diamonds too. Sail across the ocean blue, making all of our dreams come true. Ocean blue, making all of our dreams come true. That should be me. Why am I the one that's all alone, staring at my drink? I can't help but think that should be. Oh, that should be. that you leave this town till you bury that dream beneath the frozen ground. It's a bitter taste that you swallow down, 'cause you wanna be happy, you just don't know how. And this feels like someone else's life that you were living in. This feels like someone else's body you were trapped within. So maybe you should do what makes you happy. Forget all those lessons that you learned and just go dancing. Life is much too short for you to miss it as it's passing. So don't let it happen, don't let it happen, no. Maybe you should do what makes you happy. No amount of status will make up for what you're lacking. There is not an answer to this question that you're asking. So maybe go dancing, maybe go dancing.